How to play Xbox Game Pass on Samsung TV. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you will learn how to play Xbox Game Pass on your Samsung Smart TV without needing a console. If you've got a compatible TV and a Game Pass Ultimate subscription, you're just a few steps away from cloud gaming right from your couch. Let's get started. Step 1. Make sure your TV is compatible. First, make sure your Samsung Smart TV is from 2021 or newer. Older models won't support the Xbox app. You can check the near in your TV settings or on Samsung website. Step 2. Install the Xbox app. Now, press the home button on your remote and go to the apps. Use the search bar to look for Xbox. Once you find it, click Install. After installs, open the app. Step 3. Sign in to your Microsoft account. When you open the app, it will ask you to sign in. Use the QR code or enter the code on your phone or computer. Make sure it's the account with your Game Pass Ultimate subscription. Step 4. Connect a Bluetooth controller. You need a compatible Bluetooth controller like an Xbox wireless controller or a PS5 DualSense. Put the controller in pairing mode. Then, on your TV, go to Settings, Bluetooth, and pair it. Step 5. Start playing with cloud gaming. With everything set, go back to the Xbox app. Browse the library of cloud-enabled games. Pick your game, hit play, and start game instantly. No downloads, no console. Quick tips for best experience. Use a fast internet connection, at least 10 megapixels. Wi-Fi 5 GHz or Ethernet is better than 2.4 GHz. Close other apps using the internet while playing. Sit close to your router for more stability. And that's it. Now you know how to set up and play Xbox Game Pass directly on your Samsung Smart TV. Fast, simple, and no console required. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.